This is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls on this device. So to begin with, you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the Google category. In here, if you have any Google accounts added or linked to your system, we have to go ahead and get rid of them, which you can do by tapping at the Google account, go in for the manage account on this device option, and in here just remove each Google account you have one by one until you have no Google accounts left at all. Once this step is out of the way, re-enter the same Google category and add the list of services on this device. You gotta go for the parental controls. Now tap at the Get Started button, then choose Child Routine, click Next and wait for a little bit. In here, go for the Add or Create Account for your child option and sign into the Gmail account you have prepared for your child. If you didn't prepare it, that's fine, just sign up for one by going for the Create Account option from here. But I do happen to have the Google account that I can use, so I'll enter its credentials. Obviously it is I think it goes without saying, but I still guess that's something that is important to mention. The child has to not know the password to the said Google account. Otherwise, they will be able to easily bypass parental controls without having to grant any parental authorization and permission. So they can do that by their own, at their own will. So basically at this point, just treat this sign-in as any normal Google login. Then once this account has been added, add to list, well, choose it from it. And now you gotta enter the credentials for the Google account, but this time for the parents, or yours as a parent or supervisor. So you know the drill, enter the email address, then type in the password, click Next. Once the Google signs you in, you gotta scroll the following About Supervision page all the way down and enter the child's Google account password once again in order to confirm and proceed. Then tap at the Agree button. At the following Allow Supervision window, go for the Allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. From here, all further steps you can very deliberately skip, since we will be also able to do all of this stuff later on. But right now we are more focused on finishing this setup procedure sooner, so there is no reason to stop on those configurations now at all. Once you have done it to the Manage Parental Controls page, you have like two options, or you have a fork pretty much, so two options, two variants, two paths that you can take. So basically, if the phone or any other device that is written in a bold font over here is the one that you will use as a parent, that you will use for supervising your child's activity, you can just tap at the blue Install Family Link button and the needed app will get automatically downloaded and installed on your device. But if everything that I've earlier said is not true, you can absolutely pick the manual way and manually download this app. That's not difficult, or you will not face any additional issues at all. So since it is a more generic step and will suit everybody, so I'll show you how to go for this particular route. So skip the installation. At this point, more or less all the preparations at the child's end were successfully finalized. Now take your parental device and, as I've already mentioned, download and install the free Family Link application from Google Play Store. The only important step that we will have here is that you have to make sure to sign into the Family Link app with the parental or parents account that you have earlier identified over here. So as you can see, mine is correct, so I can proceed. And inside the Family Link application itself, you can set the daily usage limits for your child, enroll some downtime routine, turn on or turn off apps, or set some app limits, as well as monitor your child's app activity or activity across various apps. Apply content restrictions, configure the account settings, manage devices if you have multiple added, monitor your child's live location, but in order to do that you'll have to grant the location permit or permission at the child's device, and see your supervisee or child highlights for their device and usage of said device. Alrighty, so that would be it, at least as setting up parental controls goes. We highly appreciate your attention, thanks for watching, and bye bye.